Alright, so for the next step here, we already have all 4 sides here going around to full rows, and then of course the yellow all complete at the bottom from the prior steps. Now this one I have basically prearranged just to most easily illustrate what to do next. I'll do a separate video for if you do not have a cross of the top color, in this case white. You can have some extra squares as well. That's perfectly fine for this step, but I'll do a separate video for if you do not have this cross, what to do. But just to keep it as simple as possible, we'll assume that if you get through all of this and look at the top, this is now what you see and how to move forward. So from here, now you're going to be looking at the corners and the colors on the sides of the corners. And you want to try to get those to match. So this may sometimes be a lengthy phase here. So I have shifted the top around so that now we have green on one side and red on one side. They can also be opposites. So up here we have red and here we have blue. And we have red on this corner here and then blue over here. So that would be considered as a match of the corners. And then same here, we have blue and orange, and if you'll see here we have orange going to this side and blue going to this side, so that matches. And then turning around, then we have orange here and green here, of course, and then green and red. So this is ideal. This is what we would want for this step. And then what we'll do next is we're going to just flip this completely over. So now the yellow is on top and the white is on the bottom. Now we're going to do a series of righty moves to bring these white tiles down to the bottom. And what I think is the easiest is just starting where we have the first white tile here off on the right side, because we'll be working on this right column here. So we'll go up to the right, down, and to the left until we bring that white down. And it may be a few moves up, right, down, and left. And we have brought that down now to the bottom. Next, what we'll do from here is from this very bottom row, we're going to twist that over one. So now we see a white on this bottom corner on this right column. So we'll take it up to the right, down, and to the left, and we'll repeat until that white has filled that space. Up, right, down, left, up, right, down, and left, and then one more, up, right, down, and left. Now we're going to flip this back over and we're going to check to see if we have a solid column of colors in any of these rows. As we saw, we do have a solid row of green, so we're just going to twist that back over to the green side. So now we'll have yellow on the bottom, a green side complete, and the white side is complete. Now from here, we are going to do on the right side one righty, on the not shifting or moving it at all, we're going to go on the left side and do one lefty, up, left, down, and right. And then from here, we're going to do 5 righties on this side, 5 righties on this, or lefties on this side. So let's continue with that step. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right, and now for the lefties. So we'll go up, left, down, right for 1, up, left, down, right for 2, up, left, down, right for 3, up, left, down, right for 4, up, left, down, right. Now, sometimes it will still not be fully solved at this stage. No problem, you just repeat that last step one more time with one righty and one lefty. 1, 3, and then 5 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then coming to the left, do your lefties on this left column. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And congratulations, you have solved the Rubik's Cube for white.